In this video, I'll demonstrate how to generate money online utilizing a free Google technique, which is one of the most simple methods to work from home. How do you go about doing it? We'll find out soon enough. This is how to make $5,000 utilizing a Google technique that is completely free. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. As a result, if I come up with a new and innovative technique to generate money online, you will be the first to know about it. As a result, make the maximum money possible. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this passive income stream with only one click of a button using this completely free software by using a simple Google technique. And guess what? You don't need to start with any money, you don't need your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Now, before I tell you how to do it, let me explain how you can accomplish it. I am from blank, aka your nation, so leave a comment underneath. That way, I'll be able to tell you precisely where you're from, so that in the future, I can be certain that every film I produce is for you. So tell us about your nation in the comment section below. So let's start with step 1, which is visiting news.google.com. Step 2 will lead you to Google News, which is a news aggregator service built by Google where you can access the most up-to-date news from all over the world. You can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side, including your nation, what's going on in the globe, your local news, as well as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on business right here, you'll get all of the most recent business news, whether it's from your own nation or from around the world. And moving on to step 3, this news will update every couple of hours and news articles will be published on a certain time, which in this case will be business. So you may open any of these articles and make money online with them. So for example, a flight to space with Jeff Bezos aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard sold for $28 million will be used. Now all we have to do is click on this particular article and that will get us to this page. As you can see, here is the complete post that you can utilize to generate money, and I'll show you how to do it. As a result, I'd want you to duplicate this article for this stage, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to reproduce 2 phrases from this post to demonstrate how this works and how you can make money from Google News Stories. Moving on to step 4, all you have to do now is visit Killbot.com. Killbot.com is a free online application that will professionally rewrite those articles for you. As a result, you may utilize them to generate money online for free over and over again. So all you have to do now is put your content into this box and click paraphrase. It will also completely rework the article. The best thing is that it's all done for you for no cost. So on the left, we have the original article, and on the right, we have the reworked content, which is now unique and ready to use. With a single click of a button, I can now duplicate this rewritten post and utilize it to generate money online. And you can do the same thing with all of the articles from other categories that are accessible in Google News, which come in every couple of hours, giving you thousands upon thousands of articles to choose from, each of which may make you money again and again. And later in this video, I'll give you some free goodies that will help you make even more money, so stay tuned. Moving on to step number 5, you have 2 options for making money with these repurposed articles. The first one will not make you a lot of money, but the second one may make you thousands of dollars, and it has already made tens of thousands of dollars for individuals all over the world. But before I go, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. Okay, let's return to the video now. TextBroker.com is now the #1 and least expensive alternative. TextBroker.com collaborates with major corporations like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you write. Of course, you won't have to create those articles yourself since, as I just demonstrated, you can have them written for you for free with a single click of a button utilizing a simple Google method for making money online. All you have to do now is go to textbroker.com and click the I write content button, and it will lead you to the next page where you can find out more about how to make money writing articles for TextBroker. TextBroker's registration is completely free, and you can start earning money right away by producing various articles. You may now determine how much money you will make by going to the payment area right here and clicking on additional details. As you can see, you will get $50 for 1,000 words. And Google News, you can really discover a lot of items that are 1,000 words long. As a result, the bigger the earnings, the longer the piece is. You will earn more money if your content is longer and better. So if you write 12,000 words, you might earn up to $600. The nice part is that you can repeat the process. However, keep in mind that this method will not earn you nearly as much money as the second method of earning money with free articles. To get started with TextBroker, simply click on Free Author Registration right here, establish an account for free, and begin earning money from your articles. The second option to profit from such free articles is to use freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so on. There are many various freelancing websites that you may use, not simply Fiverr, because using more of them would allow you to earn significantly more money. You can tenfold your revenue if you sell on 10 separate freelancing platforms. However, if you just sell on one website, you'll only be able to generate money from those articles in one method. As a result, the more you do it, the more money you'll be able to make. So if you go to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, you'll be able to see all of the different folks that make money by writing basic articles. But because they are doing it themselves, they are doing it the hard way. As a result, writing those articles takes a lot more time and work for them. Customers, on the other hand, despise having to wait. After all, no one enjoys waiting. And because you'll be able to deliver those articles virtually, instantaneously, you will be 10 steps ahead of your competition, allowing you to earn more money. And you can see that it works. For example, one guy offered this service for $35 and received 148 purchases, resulting in a profit of $5,180. This individual charged $40 and received almost 400 sales, and this guy charged $60 and received 357 sales, and so on. These are all examples of how it works. These individuals are all earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing easy articles, and that is just on one freelance site, Fiverr, which is quite competitive. As a result, I strongly advise you to use the other freelancing websites as well. And as I indicated earlier in this video, you have a variety of Fiverr options. You will be able to optimize your profits by using as many freelancing websites as possible. This approach is really easy to use and completely free. The best aspect is that it works everywhere on the planet. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.